Greetings, good day, folks. This is Donnie with Techwinner. Appreciate you guys joining me today. I'm here today to talk about what is, yes, a first world problem, but guys, it's one that I think a lot of people just suffer with and deal with and don't know that there's a better way. So today we're going to talk about exactly what that better way is, and I'm talking about charging your devices. I don't know about you, but I like waking up to freshly, fully charged devices, whether that's my AirPods, whether that's my phone, whether it's my watch. I like them to be ready, charged up, and ready to go for the day. And I don't know about y'all, but sometimes our nightstands can look like a rat's nest when you start talking about all the cabling it takes to plug all this stuff in, get it charged up and ready to go for the day. Guys, there is absolutely a better way, and we're here today to talk about what those solutions are. So sit back and relax, and let's dive in, and let's take a look. So I recently found myself in a situation where I had older wireless chargers that were just wearing out. Guys, it happens over time. Wireless charging first came to the Apple iPhone, which I use, back in 2017 with both the iPhone 8, 8 Plus, and the iPhone 10. So actually there were three different models there that started having wireless charging, but it's been around for a lot longer than that. Technology has been used in Android phones going all the way back to the early 2010s. There was also a Windows Phone. At the same time, I had a Nokia Lumia 920 many moons ago that had wireless charging, and my first wireless charger that I bought was back in December of 2012, and that charger has just died, which means I'm in the market for something new. So guys, I, like any good sleuth, went to Amazon and was just looking at some of the products were out there, and I saw a couple of different ones that definitely got my attention. One of them was by Anker, and we're going to unbox that here in just a minute. And then another one that was a 3-in-1 solution as well, that was a little bit more of an off-brand. But let's go ahead and just take a look at this Anker product. So guys, I've been a fan of Anker products for a very long time. I've used them for car chargers. Some of their cables are absolutely excellent. They're known for great reliability, and they've really marketed Amazon as being their place for it. So getting into this box, yes, I'm a little afraid I'm going to cut myself here, but thankfully I don't. And it was a little bit tricky. Most of the time, my Anker experience has been their packaging is really good. This one, for whatever reason, was a little bit tricky to get into, but they do have that nice pull tab there to pull out all the products. They always have a nice little user guide that is usually very well thought out, very well written. So this product is absolutely no exception to that. It does come included in the package cable that you'll use with the wireless charging pad. There it's like a micro USB to USB-A is what the actual cable types are there. So then they've got this thing nice and wrapped up. There's a little label in it that talks about using the user guide. And it also points out here that this does not come with a charging brick inside the package. So it only has the cable and it has the wireless charging pad. Now, what I do like about this pad is it's a really decent size. So just for reference there, that's my iPhone 10. Yes, I'm still using an iPhone 10. I know it's almost 4 years old, but it's been a great product for me and I can't complain. They're very thorough with their packing here. They even put in that little blue piece of Velcro as well. So that was handy if you want to have it for cable management, just to have that there. And guys, it works exactly as intended. There's a little LED light there on it that's blue, you can see to the left, that shows that the device is in fact charging as it should. So this is an absolutely fabulous product by a company that I have great confidence in, Anker. They do a phenomenal job and absolutely recommend this product. It's right now on Amazon. It's priced for $15.99. I'm putting a link in the comments I'm putting a link in the description. And if this is something you're interested in, I totally recommend this. Just the one thing to be aware of is that it does not come with a brick. But if you're like me, you've got 100,000 billion bricks sitting somewhere in your house, so this is probably a non-issue for you. Yes, the next one I'm looking at here is called a CW310. Amazon showed this, advertised it as a wireless charging station. It's compatible with any of the iPhones that have wireless charging. It also supports the Apple Watch and a place to plug in AirPods as well. So yeah, opening up that box, you can see the actual charging mat is on the top. It's got a little bit of a user guide here, instruction manual, and diving a little deeper into the packaging. This one does come with a charging brick, which, yes, is super handy to have, especially for something like this that's going to be powering 3 devices. You want a little beefier charging brick, and this one absolutely is a beefier charging brick. The cable itself here is USB-C to USB-A. So again, USB-C can carry stronger wattage across it than some of the older USB cables, so very handy that they put in the newer USB-C technology into this box. So there you can see the actual product. I'm really excited about this charging pad. Being able to plug in all three devices and have one cable going to a nightstand to be able to charge three devices at the same time. So there you can see like the Apple Watch piece, you can like flip it up and it's supposed to cradle it in. USB-C plugs right into the back, and there you can see just the one cable to rule them all. No more a bunch of cables. iPhone, lay it right onto the phone charging dock, works perfectly. The watch was a little bit tricky to kind of figure out here because the charging pad itself can tilt basically 9 degrees. You can lay it flat or you can lay it all the way up on its side. It took me a minute to kind of figure that out. If you read the manual, you'll probably pick up on it a lot faster than I did, but laying it flat like that charges nicely. And then the AirPods as well fit right into that cradle just like they're designed. It's hard to tell on there, but that light is lit up and it's showing that the AirPods are charging like they should. But guys, it's just nice, clean product. It's just a good look sitting on like a desk or like I'm going to do with my nightstand. Just being able to plug these in before I go to bed and just knowing that they're going to charge overnight. So here you can see I've got the Apple Watch charging cradle now up to 90 degrees. It is magnetic, so I'm sitting here and I'm shaking it just trying to see if I can get the watch to break loose, and it doesn't. So again, that's that magnetic charging, that technology. It's working really well here. You'll notice too with that AirPod dock right there, like it supports all three different models. So like I've got the AirPod Gen 2s, but the new Gen 3s are in a little slightly bigger case. And then of course AirPod Pros are in an even bigger case. So this product is designed to support all three different types of AirPod cases that you could potentially have. And guys, I found this wireless charging station as it's advertised on Amazon for $25.99. When I bought it, it actually had a $5 coupon available as well. Right now, and in the screenshot I'm showing you, it's showing a 15% off when you apply that coupon. And I'm also putting that link in the description as well for this product. So guys, I highly recommend both of these, and especially if you are like me, like I was, you just got this rat's nest of cables sitting around on your nightstand or your desk. Clean that all up. Get rid of it. That was a little bit violent. Get the one-stop shop, one cable to rule them all into the back of your charging pad. No more cables going all over the place. And nice clean desk. All three of your Apple products charging at the same time. If you're like me, you've got the phone, you've got the watch, you've got the AirPods. Being able to charge them all three at once is absolutely handy. And that Anker one sitting on the other side of our bed, my wife is using that to charge her phone at night. And guys, that Nokia one, it was 9 years old. It was worn out. It was time to be replaced. And I can't say enough good things about Anker products. So guys, that is my now day 2 into these products. They're working great for me. And if we have any problems with them in the future, I will give you guys an update on them. But otherwise, I'm very optimistic about how so far they've turned out. So guys, that's it for today. And as always, I appreciate you joining us today. If you have any comments, please put those in the comment section. Don't be afraid to like and subscribe. And guys, any questions that you have, I'm going to be posting here in the near future. I want to just do like a mailbag. So people have been throwing out some good questions in the comments, and I would like to be able to address those for you in the very near future. So stay tuned for that. But for now, I'm Donnie with Techwinner. You guys have a great day.